Guillermo, my people haven't forgotten to say that Pauline.com isn't ready for 100%. I'm recording audio with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If I have any audio problems, please let me know. Okay, here we're gonna do the Galaxy S23 Plus out of the box. It left recently, it left a week ago. And if I remember correctly, the pre-order last Wednesday immediately opened on the 17th. And those of us who had pre-ordered got a call today. Therefore, in the major changes, we have a new version of the Success, and we also have it for the Plus 8 version. Sorry, 12 GB range. If you order a pre-order phone at the same price as ours, you'll get 512 GB of storage. Then what we see here is 512 GB version of storage to be determined. $12 GB will leave us. Plus. Remember, all Samsung packages are in this format. Cashier, nothing. Nothing fun, although the phone is obviously also in a small box. Very simple, so if needed, this is to repay it. Here's the receipt. We don't have a price or anything like that here. We won't rely on it. What does Galaxy S24 Plus pre-order bring us? Remember, there are some things I want to tell you. Those who pre-ordered phones and didn't buy them on Samsung or Page. In France, called Boulange, you can buy the Galaxy Watch 6 for free by following the steps on Samsung's website. Here, we also have the loyalty code, which is reduced by 5% immediately. The current offer is obviously the code you see there. I can show this code because it works for the whole world. This is not only applicable to me buying a mobile phone, then things will be free. Paris 2024 Samsung Silicon Protectors. Recall that Paris 2024, this year's Olympics were held in Paris, France. Well, they are promoting the 2024 Olympics by phone. I don't know if there is any price for this cover. Most Samsung silicone coverings cost between 15 euros and 24 euros. This order is good, and we're going to open the cover because I'm not interested for the time being. What we're going to do is we're going to do boxing for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. As we all know, the security seal copied from Apple. I had another seal before. Very important. There is a unique color here. For those who order their phones online, remember that there are some special colors for those who buy them directly on Samsung's website. And this is one of them. It's not golden, it's the choir you see here. Put it in the conference hall. This is the color I see. This is a soft color, as if it were a peach. Orange is clear, and if you notice the edges of the three shots here, they are not killed, and they are wise. Here, we have this version and all other versions. Sorry, we don't have aluminum anymore. What we have is titanium, a little brighter than Apple in a year, but it is still a titanium-like matte. It feels very square. The phone has no curve anywhere. We have a microphone above, and we have a SIM card, USB port, speakers, front camera, and system below. Safa's 3 cameras. We've got one that's 500,000 pixels bigger than the largest. And if I'm not mistaken, we've got a 5x zoom. And obviously, we've got a big camera as well. One of the rooms is 20 out of 200,000 pixels. I will put the description in, so I keep all the basic information in mind. While this phone doesn't look very good, it is an important balance for the 22 Plus version. The phone will replace my home version of the S22 Plus because the S23, I don't see it making any sense. In which system of the House of Representatives everything is equal, and this is how they operate. What really changes is storage and memory boot. Now it has 12 GB of storage space. Remember, we are talking about the interesting Plus version next to this phone. The other thing we're going to say is that this version of Exynos outstrips the previous version of the S23 Plus's Snapdragon, which means a big performance boost, or at least a success. We're going to take the screen away. At the back of the screen, we'll turn on the phone just to see how it turns on. And remember, for the initial setup, I have a separate video in which I explain or step-by-step display. What is it like? Start this phone. They do. This is the start of the Galaxy S24 Plus, 22% battery. Remember, the most interesting thing about this phone is the innovation brought by Samsung. and we will keep it here. Why? Because you already know. Inside the box, Samsung, just for us to see the USB cable here. This version of USB cable and pinchito and different guides. Other than that, Samsung doesn't include anything else. We're going to see some C-type USB-S cables. That's what we planned. That's the S24 plus the brackets that are now available. And then my people. We'll continue to make some videos of 24 Plus and its new AI features. If you like videos, please share them and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until